Hello everybody and welcome back. New in SOLIDWORKS 2024, we have some new enhancements in the whole wizard feature. First of all, new in the Positions tab of the PropertyManager. Under Whole Positions, you can now click Existing 2D Sketch and select an existing 2D sketch to position the holes and automatically create the holes at all endpoints, vertices, and points of the sketch geometry. You can select sketch entities like lines, rectangles, slots, and splines. Sketch options specify the geometry used to automatically create the instances. Under Sketch Options, there are two options. Create instances on sketch geometry, which is enabled by default. Positions holes at all endpoints, vertices, and points of the sketch geometry. Create instances on construction geometry. Positions holes at all endpoints, vertices, and points of the construction geometry. Another new option is to skip whole instances. Under Instances to skip, select Whole Instances to skip in the graphics area. And last but not least, when you delete a whole wizard feature, you can retain the whole position sketch. In the Confirm Delete dialog box, clear the Delete Absorbed Features option to delete only the whole profile sketch and keep the whole position sketch. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more SOLIDWORKS new features and great tips.